In this video, we will see about creating hierarchies in the model and how to use these hierarchies in the stories that we are going to use. So let's try to create one model first, where we will be selecting one Excel file. I'm just importing this Excel file which is having some sales related data, and we will be creating a hierarchy on product and category. So there are two columns which we think means are in a relationship, like parent child kind of relationship they are having, and we will be creating a hierarchies based on that, and then we will use this. So once we have imported this Excel file, and now we can see there are different types of data here available, and you when we say there are product and category, these are the two columns. So there are some products which falls under some category, and that we can have a parent child relationship or hierarchies. So when we just select this column, and then to create a hierarchy, click on this add dimension attribute. Once we say this, we can mention this parent child hierarchy, and we can once we select that, we can select the parent, means what is the parent of this particular column. So we do have a category which is the parent for this column. You can see it here. Once we select this, you can see the icon of this column has been changed, which says hierarchy. This way we can create hierarchy. There is a this is a parent child hierarchy. We can create level based hierarchy as well, like you can say country, state, city as well, which we can have, like state, city, or store, this kind of relationship also we can build it. Once we create this hierarchy, we will just create this model, and by just clicking on this create model. Now once we have created this model, we will just access that model to create the story, and we will select that model, and we will go to see in the story how it works. So now if you say means I've just created this story, and I will just add one chart which says take the horizontal, like column bar chart which is there, and which says we'll just wanted to see the gross margin and discount, and we will just add the dimension as well for this here, which we are going to add is this product, because that is what we wanted to select. Now if you say this product, now if you just click on this, you can get on a feature of drilling on this, which is available here. We can go through drill down to the next product. Like you can see the first, it will appear as a category. So this is three different categories which are there, and we can go through this here as a drill down, or we can just click on this hierarchy icon here, and we can say that go to next level. This way we can see the how hierarchies are working. Means this is useful when we wanted to build drill down or drill up kind of data, means to explore the possibilities of the data in the or analysis of the data in terms of displaying the data in different visualization charts. This way we can use these hierarchies in the analytics cloud. I hope this will be helpful for you. If you have any questions, then please put it in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.